Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add music to Instagram post with multiple photos. First of all, let's launch the app, let's click on the plus button and let's click on the double squares on the bottom right corner, right over here. Now you click one, let's choose another images, let's pick this one and this one, right? So now it is very important that we press next, and on this particular menu over here we have the multiple images that we selected. We can actually click on the lower end line that we can adjust the way how the images actually look like and the vibe, but the most important part is on the top middle of the screen. You have the note icon which you actually click and you select one of these songs. You click this one, for example, then you can adjust the song if you need. Of course, you can select a different time frame. As you can see over here, you got 30 seconds to be selected. You can select all the way up to 90 seconds. This is the clip duration. So based on the clip duration, you can actually adjust the actual sound length. Okay, after you're ready, you click next, and here we go on the usual posting page on the Instagram. Here you can add the captions, tag people, tag products, get orders, and the most important part is that, as you can see, almost at the bottom you have the song that you selected. Now if you want to change the song, all you gotta do is to press on the X next to the song, and you have the option to add the music straight from this particular part of the post. You don't have to go back. All you gotta do is to click add song and replace the song with the previous one that you don't like. Subscribe and follow for more.